Hello fams, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. To my old and new subscribers, God bless you. Yeah, today I'm back with another video. Thank you so much every one of you that used to watch my video and also share. God bless you. Thank you so much. So today I'm back with another video. I want to make abacha, yeah, and then gongo, anyone you call it. So it's go to go. So this is what I want to use to make this abacha. This is the abacha. This is jikwabu. Then this is soba oil bean, and I have a cow here. I have a crayfish. I have pepper, dry pepper. I have onions and the fish, and this is a cow leg and the cow skin. I have the vegetable there. Later I will introduce this vegetable to you. We'll call it yellow color. The later I will look for what they call it in English, okay? And it's bitter and it's very healthy. It just like where you're using otazi leaves. So I don't have otazi leaves. I'm going to use it to replace it. It's very fine. So this is it, and I have the oil, our red oil. So let's go into the making of this oba without wasting much of your time. I will first of all pour hot water here and hot water here to wash it. So let's go. So farms, I've poured the hot water into the abacha. So let's go to the kitchen and continue. I will allow it, I'll cover it a little for it to melt because it's very dry. Okay farms, let's start. I have the oil here. I have the oil, and this is the cow. This is Igoncha. This is Igoncha. Yeah. This is bass for this ngongo. Okay. So I'll add pepper, this pepper. Very easy to make. I'll have crayfish. Don't have to waste too much time. Yeah. I add crayfish. Then this is my oba. I add oba. Because of the account I put, I'm not going to add salt because that one contains salt also. So I add the fish. I've already deboned it, washed it and deboned them. Okay. At this time, I'll add the cow. Okay. Let's turn very well. Very easy to make. So this is it. So this is the abacha. I'm going to add it now. is it. My abacha is ready. Very easy to put together. Remember, my stove is on because I want some of the ingredients to get some heat. So that is it. So this vegetable, they call it rocket in English. This is rocket leaves in English. Very, very nutritious. If you're living in Italy, try to be using this. Go and study about this vegetable. So that is what I'm going to use now. And here is it. I'm going to add it. My ngongo is ready. My abacha is ready. It is ready. The stove is off because the vegetable is not meant for cooking. You don't have to cook it. It's like salad. You understand? So that is it. It is ready. This food is ready. Then I'll garnish with my onions. This is my onions. It is ready. So fams, if you're watching me all to this period, God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Share to your friends this video. Yeah, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. God bless you. Till I see you next time in my next video. Remain blessed. Shalom.